Actually.
And your face is not white?
I mean, which donut do you want to start off with?
That's me.
Oh my god. God. The entire video is just gonna be us laughing.
Yeah, you can fast forward, it's fine.
I will not eat them until we get home because I'm not gonna make a fool of myself in a moving car. Good morning, my loves, or actually it's more like good afternoon. It's 12:04 right now. I'm with my brother. It is Eid day 2, and inshallah we are going to get some donuts. Actually, they are vegan donuts, and I'm so excited. I am getting one of each flavor. I will show you guys what we got. There's like 8. So they're expensive. I ain't gonna lie, but
So they're bougie donuts.
they're bougie donuts. Yeah, that's exactly what they are.
Whoops.
Yeah, so I will take you guys along. Well, you guys, we finally got the donuts. Let me just show you. Let me show you.
Yeah, just cover my face up in the pot, it's fine. No one wants to see this.
So much beauty. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Literally, you are the noor. The light is blinding, you know? I'm so sorry. I'm so
Made
sorry.
no sense there, but okay, have fun.
No, I'm
Keep going.
saying like the noor from your face. You get it? Like the light. You're so bright. No? No? Okay, you don't know.
Keep going.
Anyways.
You and your expensive donuts.
Yeah, these are the bougiest donuts I could have possibly gotten. But guess what? I done did it. I splurged and I got myself some bougie donuts, and I have 0 regrets. But stop trying to cut your face.
Oh.
See, I'm wearing so much white and it like glares, and then your face is white. No, I'm sorry. I'm not sorry, actually.
And your face is not white?
I mean, mine is, I guess.
What?
I mean, in comparison, it's not. It looks tanner because of the white hijab, you know?
Your dreams, girl. Finish with the
Anyways, we got these donuts.
She
We
smacked me
got-
with the box. Again.
We got, what is this? Maple pecan? I'm losing my mind. This is like a Boston cream pie. This is cookies and cream. This is sweet potato. This is, I think this is apple. This is apple pie. This is like a banana glaze, lemon poppy, and blueberry. And yeah, we're gonna try them out for you guys.
Why is
Oh my god. We're gonna just start off with this banana.
this? It's not a banana. It's a slice of a banana.
It's a banana.
She ain't with this bougie life yet.
It's a banana donut, okay?
It's not a banana donut. There's not a whole entire banana in this donut.
There's
There's a
banana.
slice of banana.
There's
in this
banana in it.
one. Okay. Continue.
I'm crying.
Continue.
Oh my god. The entire video is just gonna be us laughing.
Yeah, you can fast forward. It's fine. That's the whole point. Time lapse this whole thing.
Anyway, then we're just gonna try. Reminds me of like a banana foster. Yeah, you wanna try it? It's just a banana with like a maple syrup glaze.
Oh, that's a bite.
Bruh, he ate half of it and woke up. Literally half the donut is gone. It's just gone. Okay. Does it taste
That's
good?
why I enjoyed
Do
it.
you like it? Do you like it at least?
It's okay.
Let's try this blueberry that you keep on
It's
saying.
pink.
Okay.
It is pink.
It is straight up. Oh
Pink.
my gosh, it's not.
It's pink.
It's purple. It has. Okay, whatever.
Eat.
This is like a very traditional glazed with like a hint of berry flavor.
It's just a glazed donut.
Yeah, I wish there was more berry flavor.
Bye. Okay, let's get to the real meaty stuff. AKA, what is this? Oreo?
The cookie cream.
Oh,
cookies
cookie
and
cream. AKA Oreo. Fake Oreo, whatever.
Yeah.
You
It's a cookies and cream.
What's that?
That's maple pecan.
That's a donut. Even though we be dropping everywhere, it's fine.
Literally, okay. Here, you can try. Literally, look at the size of our bites. Like
her bite versus a man bite. I don't like this. It doesn't taste like an Oreo. Nowhere near an Oreo.
This is really good.
Yeah, I know. That's why I picked it.
It's close.
It's close to what? In your dreams, you're gonna get chucked out this window.
Yo, this is real good.
Okay. I'm done.
Mm.
I'm gonna get a sweet high and I'm gonna get a headache.
A sweet high.
Sugar
A
high.
sugar rush.
No, sugar high. I call it a sweet high.
Mm-hmm.
With the le.
Mm.
Yeah, the lua. Adios.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed my brother. We have 4 more donuts to just go through. This is the apple pie one. Let's see. Oh my god. Tastes exactly like apple pie. I don't know if you guys can see it well. I don't know if it's focusing. But it literally has apple pie filling inside of it. So if you're an apple pie fan, this would be right up your alley. A sweet potato pie. And it has sweet potato filling in the middle. Let me see if I can get a bite with the filling. Yeah, I can taste like all there's like spices. But yeah, this is pretty dense and I think that makes sense because of the fact that it's, you know, sweet potato. The last 2, this is like a Boston cream pie. It's a little off. It's not like a chocolate, it's more like a peanut butter coating. I don't know if you guys can see the filling, but it's heavy. It's a heavy donut. The donut exploded. Like, I have the filling all over my hand. It just kind of like combusted in the middle. There's like a hole, but it tastes good. I like the top frosting. Okay. Last but not least, we got our lemon poppy. And I hope it's like really lemony. I like citrus fruit a lot, so hopefully it, you know, it lives up to what it's named. Snacks. The lemon flavor really hits you in the face. Like, it's very lemony. Okay, I'm getting close to having like a sugar rush. I am gonna take the rest for my family, my mom and my dad and my grandma, have them try them out. Okay, I'm also gonna show you guys my outfit of the day because I really like it. So yeah, This is a dress from Modanisa. These are my heels. I'm wearing some white jeans. But yeah, also I'm wearing a necklace. Who am I? Who am I? I never dress up like this, but I like it. Ding. Hey loves, okay, I'm currently getting ready to head out to see some of my friends. We're gonna be like 6 feet apart, no worries. We understand it's quarantine and I'm not gonna risk it. But I brought some mamool, which is date-filled cookies. You actually saw a little montage of my mom and I making them previously, prior to this. But yeah, I have a container and I'm excited to see my friends because, you know, as much as I like staying at home, I also really like going out. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, it is currently, I don't even know what time it is. It's like 6 probably. 6:09. So I have spent past like 2-ish hours just with friends. We were far apart, but we like tried to do some stuff together and it was fun. It's just nice to see them again. I have been sorry. I've been kind of not taking care of myself in my extroverted ways, and so this is just a nice reprieve. So yeah, I'm gonna just drive on home right now. Okay, my loves, by this point I was exhausted and knocked out. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you next week. Bye!